Hey guys! We're two of the board members here today representing the CIA Brew Club.
Today, here I am representing the Global Spoons Club.
My name is Holly. I'm the president of Spice.
Hey, my name is Andre Franklin. I am the president of the Black Culinary Society. BCS is known for some of the biggest events here on campus.
I am the president of the Hospitality Club at the CIA.
My favorite part is all the new guest speakers we bring in.
What is Spice? Spice stands for Student Programming Igniting Campus Entertainment. We do a lot of the fun stuff on campus, like karaoke's, bingos, scavenger hunts.
Hi everyone, we're the Culinary Christian Fellowship.
Hi everyone, my name is Jenna Thompson and I am the president of Recipe Club. I am coming to you from my selfie stick.
We are here to represent Paranormal. I wanted for like-minded people to come together.
To also get to interact with other people that enjoy the paranormal.
So the Judiciary Board is a group of students who collaborate with the Dean of Student Affairs to help create a safe environment here on campus.
I think J-Board is important because not only does it give the students a voice, it also, gets students really involved on campus.
JSU, first and foremost, is a place for all CIA students to come together, to have fun with, to engage with all of the traditions.
The Global Spoons Club is a club, as the name suggests, a club where we try and explore all the cultures in the world.
We start off with a short educational aspect about beer in general so that we can all learn a little bit more as we go.
And you can experiment without fear of failure, because you have all the opportunity to be as creative as you want without getting a grade at the end, so you don't have to be afraid of messing up.
My favorite thing about CCF is that I met some of my closest friends in the club and they were so warm and welcoming.
I joined because we were all so close. We kind of became like a family.
One of the main things I like about BCS also is our deep conversations. We really dive in not only into world issues, but also things in our community as well.
I'm definitely excited to get back to this stellar group of people. It's been amazing joining them for the first semester, and definitely can't wait to see some new faces too.
So our club is open to all people, whether you're an international student or a domestic student, as long as you're willing to learn about different cuisines.
It is a great opportunity to meet some awesome people and make some great friends.
We look forward to seeing you on campus.
Bye guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Be healthy, be safe, and we look forward to seeing you on campus at the CIA soon.